You typed 3 letters into your browser. FIFA. The page loaded. The blue header. The badge. The login box. Everything was exactly where it should be. The images even loaded from FIFA's own servers.
It was perfect.
And it was a lie. You didn't buy a ticket. You handed your account and your money to a crew you will never see. They called the operation a ghost. The investigators who found them called it GH-Ost Stadium. On June 11th, 2026, the World Cup kicks off across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. 48 teams, 104 matches, 6 million fans, 16 cities. In the first 15 days, FIFA received over 150 million ticket requests. The tournament was roughly 30 times oversubscribed. Millions of people, desperate, money in hand, chasing a ticket that barely exists. Scarcity. Urgency. Cash moving fast. That is not just a football tournament. That is the perfect hunting ground for fraud. And the predators were ready. Before most fans even started looking. This is where it stops sounding like football and starts sounding like a cybercrime case file. Since August 2025, criminals registered more than 4,300 fake FIFA domains. Most of them sat empty. Around 3,800 were parked and dormant, pre-positioned like landmines. A separate firm counted over 13,000 World Cup domains in 5 months, nearly 9% malicious. Roughly 300 were already live and taking money. This was not one scammer in a basement. This was an industry.
And inside that industry,
one operator stood out for how good they were. Their entire operation began with the code. The operator was Chinese-speaking, financially motivated, running one phishing kit across 300 near-identical sites. Their fake page was not a sloppy copy. It was a custom-built clone, pixel for pixel. A clone you could not tell apart. It even copied FIFA's real login system, down to the genuine client ID lifted from the live site. When you logged in, it silently bounced you to the real FIFA, so the scam felt like success. But buried in that login was the trap, a hidden password reset. The instant you entered your details, the attacker could lock you out of your own account. And resell any real tickets attached to it.
Then came the payment. 5 different channels.
Direct card capture. peer-to-peer apps, region-specific processors, one for each country, and a crypto option, converting your payment into cryptocurrency, almost impossible to claw back. That crypto option is the tell. FIFA's ticketing never takes crypto. So how do you prove 300 websites are run by one crew? You follow the fingerprints.
First, the code.
Throughout the source, investigators found Chinese language comments left by the developer. The kit was built with Liuyue, a Chinese library virtually unknown outside China. Second, the infrastructure. Every domain shared the same SSL certificates and the same 3 meta advertising pixel IDs, tying the whole network to one set of accounts. On 79 sites, the pages were byte for byte identical. Same file size, same live chat ID, one source kit. Third, the money trail. Order numbers all shared one format, a single backend.
One operator. Confirmed.
Now the damage. Premium tickets, $1,500 to over $10,000.
At a single domain, 600 victim registrations.
Scaled across the network, over 47,000 victims. For premium fraud alone. The loss for that one slice? Between $71 million and $474 million. And that slice is only about a quarter of the campaign. Total losses, the investigators said, could reach into the billions. Ghost Stadium was never the whole story. Investigators found 4 independent threat actors
and 6 fraud schemes running in parallel.
Fake streaming sites that take a fee, then install malware. Counterfeit merchandise shops. Fraudulent betting sites, harvesting passport scans and selfies. Raw material for identity theft. And banking Trojans hidden in fake streaming apps, draining bank and crypto wallets. More than 2,500 real FIFA credentials were already on the dark web. And those 3,800 dormant domains? Still out there, waiting. The busy window is easy to predict. June 11th to July 19th. So here is what protects you. Buy only through FIFA.com, typed directly into your browser. Turn on multi-factor login. And treat any crypto request as a scam. Because the next perfect FIFA page you see might also be a ghost. Geo Stadium spoke Chinese. So do the crews who run the locked scam compounds of Southeast Asia. This kit did not appear from nowhere. It came out of an ecosystem. Next week, we follow the money back. Into the compounds where the typists are sometimes prisoners themselves. Until then, protect your account. Would you have spotted the fake login page? Tell me below. And if you have been targeted, what gave it away?